It's hard to scroll online without spotting cool gadgets that make life smarter, and the best part? You can grab them all right now from the links below. Stick around, because every gadget you'll see today is linked in the description below, ready for you to explore and shop. On number 1, we have the Mini Microscope 1000X, a perfect science gadget for curious kids and outdoor explorers. This compact microscope lets you zoom up to 1000 times, giving a crystal clear view of insects, plants, and tiny objects around you. Whether it's for school experiments or fun backyard discoveries, it turns learning into an adventure. With manual focus control, you can easily adjust clarity, and its built-in camera feature lets you capture stunning microscopic photos right from your phone or tablet. Lightweight, durable, and completely portable, it's great for classrooms, camping trips, or just exploring nature at home. And the best part? It's available for only $16.99 during the Big Save Welcome Deal. Don't miss it, grab yours today through the link in the description below. On number 2, we have the Mini Train-Shaped Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser, a gadget that combines style, scent, and relaxation in one adorable package. This ultrasonic cool mist humidifier releases a fine, refreshing mist that keeps your air clean and perfectly hydrated, ideal for your home, office, or bedroom. Its unique train design isn't just cute, it's functional too, featuring a built-in LED lamp that adds a cozy glow to your space, making it perfect for nighttime use or relaxation sessions. Add just a few drops of your favorite essential oils, and watch it transform any room into a calming aromatherapy zone, helping you relieve stress, boost focus, and sleep better. And the best part? You can grab it now for only $33.01 during the Big Save Welcome Deal, valid till November 20th, 2025. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description and bring home this cute little train that keeps your air fresh and your mind relaxed. On number 3, we have the Smart 2L Automatic Cat Feeder, your pet's new mealtime assistant. Worried about your cat starving? This feeder lets you schedule meals right from your phone with the smart app control. Worried about unfresh food? Its sealed design keeps every bite fresh and tasty. Tired of filling food too many times? The 2-liter capacity ensures your furry friend stays full for days. All this for just $30.18. Grab yours now from the link in the description. On number 4, we have the superior quality intelligent robot for kids, a next-level learning companion packed with fun and technology. This smart robot is designed to make STEM learning interactive, teaching kids coding, logic, and creativity through games, stories, and challenges. It features a quick start system, so kids can begin exploring right out of the box. With voice interaction, motion sensors, and adaptive responses, it feels like having a real talking friend who listens, moves, and learns with your child. Built with premium materials and advanced AI, it's durable, safe, and endlessly entertaining. Grab this amazing learning robot now for $1,226.44. Check the link in the description to bring home the future of fun and learning. On number 5, we have the intelligent AI RC Robot Dog, the cutest smart companion every kid will love. Dog Face Robot Face. This voice-controlled robot dog can talk, sing, dance, and even respond to your commands, making playtime more fun and interactive than ever. Musical Notes Speech Balloon. With its app remote control and programmable features, kids can teach it tricks, create dance routines, or control its movements with just a tap on their phone. Mobile Phone. It's built with smart AI technology that recognizes voices and reacts with realistic sounds and gestures, just like a real puppy. Paw Prints. Designed for both fun and learning, this robotic pet helps kids develop creativity, coordination, and early STEM skills while keeping them entertained for hours. And the best part? It's available now for just $16.84, part of the Big Save Deal, valid till November 20th, 2025. Party Popper. Don't miss this perfect mix of technology and cuteness. Check the link in the description to bring home your smart robot dog today. Dog Sparkles. On number 6, we have the Memo CX12 Semiconductor Phone Cooler, the ultimate weapon against overheating during intense mobile gaming. Designed for gamers who play hard, this powerful ice-cooling back clip keeps your phone's temperature under control even during long gaming marathons. No more frame drops, lag, or overheating, just smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. It uses advanced semiconductor cooling technology that instantly drops your phone's temperature within seconds, delivering pro-level thermal performance you can actually feel. The detachable 2000 mAh battery gives you wireless cooling freedom, so you can clip it on anywhere, anytime, without being tied to a cable. What's more, it features intelligent temperature control, automatically adjusting cooling intensity based on your phone's heat level, giving you efficient performance with minimal power use. Built with a silent yet powerful fan, it's perfect for streaming, high-end gaming, or long video sessions without any distracting noise. Compact, lightweight, and built for durability, the Memo CX12 fits almost any smartphone and clips securely without scratching your device. And the best part? It's available now for just $5.39, part of the Big Save deal, valid till November 20th, 2025. So if you're serious about gaming and want your phone to stay cool under pressure, grab the Memo CX12 phone cooler today. The link's waiting for you in the description below. On number 7, we have the AirLife 1000W E20 electric bike, a powerful, stylish, and affordable e-bike built for adventure. This beast packs a 1000-watt motor and a 48V13R removable battery, letting you cruise up to 20 miles per hour with zero effort. Its 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires give you insane grip and balance on city streets or rough terrains, rain or shine. You'll also love the 7-speed gear system that makes every ride smooth, whether you're commuting, exercising, or just exploring new places. The dual disc brakes provide powerful stopping power, keeping you safe and steady even on steep descents. Plus, it features an ergonomic design, foldable frame, and LCD display that shows your speed, distance, and battery life in real time. For just $346.54 till November 20th, 2025, this electric bike is one of the best value rides you can get right now. So if you're looking for a smart, portable, and eco-friendly way to travel, the AirLife 1000W E20 is the ride for you. On number 8, we have the Baseus 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger stand, the ultimate charging hub for all your Apple devices. High voltage green Apple. It powers up your iPhone 15 or 14 Pro, AirPods, and Apple Watch, all at once, with 20W fast charging. Battery. The magnetic stand keeps your phone perfectly aligned while the sleek design makes it a stylish desk upgrade. Gemstone. Whether you're working, gaming, or relaxing, your devices stay charged. Get it now for just $34.87 till November 20th, 2025, a must-have for every Apple lover. On number 9, we have the Digital Coffee Scale Mini USB Rechargeable Scale, every coffee lover's secret to perfect brewing. This high-precision espresso scale gives you accurate weight measurements down to a fraction of a gram, ensuring a flawless coffee-to-water ratio every single time. With its sleek compact design and USB rechargeable battery, it's perfect for your kitchen, cafe, or even outdoor brewing sessions. The LED display makes it super easy to read, and the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Get this smart kitchen essential for just $10.96, available till November 20th, 2025, because every great cup starts with precision. On number 10, we have the Wanhua T2 Max Projector, your portable cinema in the palm of your hand. This compact beast delivers 1080p Full HD resolution with 450 ANSI lumens, bringing every scene to life with sharp detail and vibrant color. Powered by Android 9.0 and built-in Wi-Fi, you can stream your favorite shows and movies directly. No cables needed. Its autofocus feature and hi-fi sound system make setup effortless and the experience immersive, whether you're indoors or under the stars. Grab the Wanhua T2 Max for just $156.29, available till November 20th, 2025, and turn any wall into your personal theater. On number 11, we have the Xiaomi Mijia Air Pump 2 Pro, the ultimate portable air compressor built for speed, power, and convenience. With up to 150 psi of pressure, this compact beast can inflate your car, motorcycle, or soccer ball in just minutes. Its smart digital display and preset pressure modes make it super easy to use. No guesswork, no hassle. Plus, the built-in rechargeable battery means you can take it anywhere. Perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or emergency refills. Get the Xiaomi Mijia Air Pump 2 Pro for only $75.35, available till November 20th, 2025, and keep your tires and gear always ready to roll. On number 12, we have the Tribit Stormbox Mini Plus, the tiny speaker that delivers a massive punch. This 12W portable Bluetooth speaker fills your space with 360 degrees surround sound and deep X-bass that you can feel. With LED lighting, app control, and IPX7 waterproof protection, it's built for the outdoors, whether you're camping, chilling at the beach, or hitting the road. Compact yet powerful, the Stormbox Mini Plus turns any moment into a party. Grab yours now for just $26.73. The big save deal ends November 20th, 2025. Tap the link in the description and turn up the sound wherever you go. On number 13, we have the 50L Nylon Bicycle Bag, your ultimate cycling companion. This rear rack trunk bag offers huge storage space, a durable waterproof design, and reflective strips for night safety. Perfect for long rides, travel, or daily commutes, it keeps all your gear organized and protected. Get it now for just $62.87, available till November 20th, 2025. Don't miss out. Grab yours from the link in the description. On number 14, we have the best-seller Muscle Relaxation Recovery Tool, your ultimate device for pain relief and faster recovery. This therapeutic massager targets sore muscles, fascia, and knots, helping you relieve tension, improve circulation, and boost performance after workouts. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to use, it's perfect for sports enthusiasts, fitness lovers, or anyone needing deep muscle relaxation at home. Get this professional-grade recovery tool for just $90.76 and make muscle soreness a thing of the past. Don't wait. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. On number 15, we have the Xiaomi D16 Mini Drone, a compact aerial powerhouse perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. This mini drone features dual cameras with 8K HD resolution, letting you capture stunning photos and videos from every angle. With obstacle avoidance and stable flight controls, it's easy to fly indoors or outdoors, giving you smooth, worry-free navigation. The fixed remote control makes piloting intuitive, while the long flight range of up to 20,000 meters lets you explore far and wide. Lightweight, portable, and a perfect gift, the Xiaomi D16 Mini Drone combines fun and tech in one sleek package. Grab it now for the welcome deal price of $33.85, link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for today's coolest gadgets.